Hey, what's up guys? It's Gone in 60. Today I have an exciting project that I've been waiting to do ever since I got the car. From my last video, you guys know I bought the car in Lincoln, Nebraska. I didn't really have a chance to custom order anything. It just came as it was, and I got a great deal at the end of the year on it. But one of the things I really wanted were red brake calipers on my Brembo brakes. And so I have looked all around for places that can ceramic coat them, that can powder coat them, just you name it. And honestly, I didn't find that many places that could do it. And honestly, some of the reviews, I didn't trust some of the people, and looked up a lot of YouTube videos. So today I am gonna show you how to simply paint your brake calipers. And I am by no means a car mechanic or someone who I think is very talented when it comes to working on cars. If it tells me it takes an hour, it probably is going to take me 3 hours. But just want to show you guys real quick a few things that I got in order to paint the brake calipers. All right, so I ordered this paint kit. It's G2 is the name of the company, and they offer a brake caliper paint set system. And it honestly comes with everything that you need. You have your paint, you have your reactor, even comes with a brush to apply it with, and a little stick to mix in the reactor with the paint. It also comes with brake cleaning spray. I found this on Amazon for about 50, 60 bucks. I think if you buy it directly from them, it's about $90. I did pay for more of a custom paint. As you guys know, my car is a Dodge Challenger Scat Pack, white knuckle, and I want red. I really wanted a red accent. So they do have several different colors. The color that I went with is actually a color from Mustang. It's called Torch Red. And so, you know, from some of the other YouTubers that I've watched that have done this, some that have used this paint kit, they said this matches as close to the 392 colors and the red on the Dodge as possible. So we'll find out. Hopefully it doesn't end up like that pink color on the box. But, you know, I did consider spray painting it with a high temperature paint. But honestly, I am just not a fan of spray paint. You really can get overspray everywhere, and you have to mask so well in order to do it. And I've looked up a lot of reviews on these paint applications like G2, the spray-on paint. It really just seems that this paint holds up the longest and the best. So I'm gonna give it a try, gonna see how it goes. Really excited to show you guys kind of a before and after of the car. Probably for me, the most nervous part of doing this whole project was jacking up the car. And make sure when you guys jack up the car, you are gonna need a low profile jack stand. It will not work with a regular jack stand. So luckily some of the YouTubers before kind of gave me some hints on that. I do have it up on 4 jack stands. I reviewed so many videos of weld points and exactly where to put the jack stands at. So thankfully I feel like I got kind of the hardest part out of the way for me, which is just jacking the car up. You know, these cars are heavy. They're 4,500 pounds, you know, give or take a few hundred pounds. But yeah, all right, I'm going to throw the reactor in and mix up the paint. All right, so we're going to mix up the paint now. It really tells you to put this entire bottle in to the paint. And so here goes. We'll dump the whole thing in there. It is going to require some mixing. It did say after you mix it, let it sit for about 5 minutes. And then they did say for each application that you put on the car, you should let it sit for 15 minutes. You should be able to do about 3 applications to each brake caliper. So I think from everybody that I've seen do this, they usually have plenty of paint to finish the project. But yeah, just gonna go ahead and stir it up. Hopefully this turns out to be the color that I'm looking for the car. But yeah, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and stir this up, and then here in just a minute, I'm gonna start applying it to the car, and we'll go from there.
Welcome to Forever, man. Let's go. Come on. This forever. No surrender. Yeah. right here forever. And there will be no surrender. Now allow me to reintroduce myself. They call me J-O-N to the easy E-N. Know that we undefeated. Y'all are beneath them speeches trying to air a grievance, but his lines are overhead. Better check the air for clearance. Call the tower. This is ours. Clear the heat. Air apparent. Really, I've never been better. Legacy, this is forever. All the more times I've been seven. I'm raising the bar. You can go ahead and measure. Think about time for a toast. Time that we welcome to go. Yo, we're just leaving. I think about time that somebody go get on their coat. You know I got all that anthem. Comeback ain't what you call that at all. Got anthems and bands with masters getting them right like my name was Miranda. I ain't bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. One more time. This is forever. Remember the legend. He never gon' die. Yeah. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Dead than alive. Yeah. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. Just making sure that you know why. Because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. I am just leaving a legacy. I am the one that they paid us. Got something to say to me, say. You know I've been waiting so patiently. This is my legacy. Y'all don't believe me, they wait. Basically, I have been running things. You can just go on and take a seat. Yeah. Love when they hated me, put that on everything. Not on my level. You can't be the enemy. This is the plan that we showing them anyway. Hit up the lawyers and give them the NDA. Woo. This is the brand new. This is the brand new. Nothing you can do. Nothing you can do.
Hey, just want to show you guys what it looks like before I throw the paint on. Got it all masked up, got it all cleaned off with brake cleaner, sanded it really good, so that way there's a rough surface to kind of go around. I just wanted to quickly just kind of show you just kind of the prep work kind of beforehand. Once again, nice thing about the paint on with a brush paint, ceramic paint, is that you are able to get away with not having to mask kind of the whole wheel well as you would with spray paint. So yeah, so it's all pretty much ready to go, sanded down. I'm gonna go mix the paint, and yeah, just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before the paint comes on.
Now there ain't nothing to it, go ahead and bring Goliath-on. Ain't no giant, I ain't gon' fire on. Catch a fade, you, I'm wrong, I'm gone. Y'all can catch the wave that I am on. I am icon, y'all are wide wrong. Think that I'm a reconcile bond, so ain't nothing to it though. This is on me, ain't got much to do with who you know. Keeping it true to form 10 L's into a milli though. But they already knew that those for well to you.
All right, this is what the second coat looks like. As you can see, it's starting to look a little bit more red because some of the grayish black colors are coming out, and it's starting to thin out a little bit. So yeah, gonna go around and I'll show you guys what it looks like after the third coat. All right, here's coat 3. Starting to look a lot smoother. Kind of come in and show you guys. You know, it's not gonna be completely flat, but I think it's gonna look really good. And by flat, I mean smooth. So 3 wheels to go. It looks like I still have plenty of paint, so I'm just gonna keep going until I can get it as smooth as I can. You can see some spots where maybe there's just a touch of dark spot where maybe it's not as, the red didn't fill in, but yeah, that's coat 3. Gonna go around and apply the rest, and hopefully I can do a 4th coat. All right, well here's coat 4. I've done it to all the vehicle. I think I'm gonna stop there. You know, I think it'll smooth out just a little bit. It's not absolutely perfect, but from everybody else that's put this on, it seems like it looks pretty much the same. So yeah, I'm gonna let this dry for a couple hours. Then I'm gonna throw the Brembo stickers on there and then throw the wheels back on and yeah, not drive it for a day. I'm excited about the Brembo stickers because they're a little bit bigger than the original ones that came on the car. So yeah, this is how much paint I have left. So, you know, I would still say I could probably easily do another 2 coats to the car. I felt like I put quite a bit on. I mean, it's definitely thick on there. I mean, it's definitely got a lot. I really don't want to apply a whole lot more. So anyways, yeah, if you buy this kit from G2, you should have plenty to do at least 4 coats, 5, maybe even 6 coats. So yeah, I'm just kind of looking at spots to see if there's anything to touch up on them. But other than that, I think we're gonna call it good. All right, got the stickers on. Just want to show you guys what the final product looks like before I put the rims and wheels back on. So yeah, just want to walk around and just kind of show you guys what we got done. Overall, this was super easy to do. I honestly recommend anyone to do it, no matter your level of comfort in doing these kind of projects. But if I can do it, you guys can do it. Definitely recommend the G2 paint caliper system. Honestly, don't have any regrets or any things that could have gone better or with the product. So yeah, definitely recommend it to you guys. And here in a second, I will pull the beast back out and let you guys take a look at the final product. But thanks for watching.
Oh yeah. Yo, let's do this. Now picture homie rolling. Let me offer my condolence. You don't know just how I'm doing. And the silence golden broke cause they know him for talking fluent. Got him under the influence, the truest, talking to him. But it's on your ego, bumping him out music, I'm eschewing.